Welcome to another episode of Cubing Corner. We are now at training set number 7, P-shaped patterns. Let's quickly go to the case number 1. This is case number 1, P-shaped pattern, and we have an easy pair here. So identification will be the mirror of P, letter P, capital letter P, and we have easy pair in our front. So the algorithm goes like this: R prime, U prime, F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, R. This is the second case in P-shaped pattern where we have the mirror of the previous. So the previous case was like this. Now it will be here, the exact the way how we look the capital letter P and the easy pairs in the front. But this time we will be doing a U2 or Y2 and holding it in this way. Now the easy pairs will be facing on the back side and the algorithm goes like this: R, U, B prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, B, R prime. Coming to the next case, the identification is again the reverse of P, like similar to the first case, but we don't have an easy pair, but instead we have a bar like this, one full side, 3 yellows in one side, that opposite of P like this. We are holding it in this way like a 6, and there are two ways of applying. If you are a left-hander, then you would be actually using small f prime magic in the left hand side and then small f, which will be actually solving. Or if you are a right-hander, then you would be using this formula. You must be holding it in this way: R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F, R. That's it. Coming to the last case of P-shaped pattern, this is the reverse of the previous, where it had the P like this, but now it has ulta and the bar is on left hand side. You actually do this in a very simple manner. You just do small f, magic move, that is R, U, R prime, U prime, and then small f prime. There you go. You had successfully solved all the 4 P-shaped cases. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Also, for the notes, you can refer to my book, which is available on Amazon Kindle, and it's absolutely free if you have an Amazon Kindle subscription, or you can just pay a small bounty so that it will be helpful for my channel to grow. Thank you. Have a nice day.